All right, so to find the percentage of each earpiece and the battery charger itself, how much is left as far as how much power you have left in each one or how much battery you have on each one. Make sure, of course, both of your earbuds are plugged in, all right, and the lid is open. And what you want to do is you want to place it beside your iPhone and then turn the iPhone on, or make sure that the display is on, and it should have a pop-up that comes on that will show you on the left. It'll show you what the left one is, percentage, battery left, the one on the right, what percentage battery is, and then the charging port will be the one on the very far right. Now, for whatever reason, if it does not pop up on your iPhone, what you can do is on your iPhone, go to settings, and then go to Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth, and then find where it says AirPod, and then click the little I, and then on the little I section, go ahead and click, that stands for information, and under information, that should show you what percentage battery you have left on all three. All right, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe.